Hi, my name is Marcus Omar Squires, and I'm renovating this abandoned home here in Petersburg, Virginia. Although there have been some delays due to weather, the roof is for the most part finally completed on my abandoned Wilcox Street house here in Petersburg, Virginia. When I first bought the house at tax sale, it was severely neglected, and I questioned if I could even save the roof. But I was able to. I scraped it, patched it, I primed it, and then I applied a rubberized tar to any areas that were having some issues beforehand. After the rubberized tar cured in some places, it didn't cure in other places, such as the valleys, where additional time is needed. So in the meantime, I applied an acrylic-based paint to the roof. This acrylic-based paint is warranted for up to 7 years, and it's been known to last for 10 to 20 years. So the roof will be in good condition for at least 7 years. I know I won't have to come back here and do any maintenance for that time, apart from cleaning any debris that may have fallen into the gutters. Some people are asking me why I wasn't painting the roof green again. The reason I'm painting the roof white is because white actually reflects the most amount of sunlight and ultraviolet rays. So having a white roof actually not only keeps your home cooler, but it also allows for the paint to last longer by reflecting ultraviolet rays. I enjoyed restoring this roof. The project was really fulfilling to see the roof go from a roof that many other people would just rip off the house to something that I knew that I could save and bring back to life. And it cost me a fraction of the price. A new standing seam roof of this kind could cost between $10,000 and $20,000. And I was able to finish this whole project for about $1,000, including all of the patching and some of the other tools that I had to buy, such as a leaf blower and some other cleaning products. So it's well worth it, but I did have to apply multiple coats as well. So I did not have a chance to record all of the painting that was done because it does get very, very hot on these roofs. So my phone did shut off a couple times in the middle of filming, but luckily I was able to get off work and paint this dependency, or the old kitchen house, as the sun was setting. Some people were asking me, why not just use asphalt shingles? Well, the thing is that while asphalt shingles are good, even architectural shake only lasts for about 30 years. As where, thanks to the hidden fasteners, the durable metal materials, standing seam metal roofs are one of the best roofing options when it comes to durability and longevity. You will know that your standing seam roof will last for at least one lifetime with proper maintenance. So this is one of the examples of where my phone died. So sorry you guys couldn't see me paint over all of the rust inhibitor, but right now I'm applying the second coat of the acrylic based paint to the dependency, or the old kitchen house that was connected to the main structure from 1888. After applying the 2 to 4 coats on certain parts of the roof, I realized that while the roof looks great, it wouldn't last that long with all of these trees right on top of the house. So I reached out to Tip Top Tree Service here in the Tri-Cities area, and they came out and helped me remove these trees from this historical home here in Petersburg, Virginia. These guys did an awesome job. Please enjoy the footage of the work that took place. Tip Top Tree Service did an awesome job this week helping me remove these trees. The roof was finished as well this week, and the house is coming along. I hope to start repairing some of the soffit next week, as well as opening up the windows. I thank you all so much for following me and watching my journey here, restoring this abandoned home from 1888 in Petersburg, Virginia. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for all the support, everybody. Bye-bye.